Hey everyone, this is Vitaly with RevitalX Headlight Restoration, and I wanted to show you another restoration we did on this beautiful Toyota RAV4. I also wanted to talk with you a little bit about the importance of headlight restoration. So as you're well aware from our previous videos, headlights are important for projecting light output onto the road. Over time, however, the manufacturer coatings degrade from UV ray exposure from the sun, as well as from contaminants in the environment, road debris that continuously impacts onto that manufacturer coating, slowly breaking it down and exposing the plastic underneath to oxidative elements in the environment. So what we do to improve the safety of headlights is we thoroughly remove all of that oxidated damage from the lens. We use a multi-stage oxidation removal process, and then once that step is complete, we put a protective coating onto the lens that is scratch resistant, chemical resistant, it has UV inhibitors, and it will protect that clarity for many years to come. So this coating in particular is a 3-year coating, and that meets federal regulations for headlight longevity. So as we completed the restoration, these headlights are now 100% dry. They are very thoroughly going to protect that light output for the long term for our customer. So if you're interested in getting this restoration done on your vehicle, check out our website at RevitalX.com or reach out to us at 864-485-9170. Don't get left in the dark. Get your headlights restored with RevitalX Headlight Restoration. We look forward to getting it done for you. Thank you.